Marawai, 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 why? Kaizer Chiefs. To the Kaizer Chiefs Management HQ. Guys, please, I want my job. I want my job as an analyst. 2 weeks ago, or even last week, I made a video here. You can go watch it. We are talking about GNA, goals and assists per game. And I mentioned 2 players who are the best players we have currently in the attacking phase of play. Those 2 players were Sirino and Silva. Go watch this video for proof, if you don't believe me. For proof. I said these 2 are the best players were on the pitch. And today what happened? Sirino comes in, Silva comes in, Sirino creates, Silva scores. I want my job. And I mentioned the best City is going to sit back. We're going to need someone in the air. We're going to need a tall striker to utilize. I even said Morris. I even threw Morris in there. People are laughing at me. I said we need a tall striker. Igadoro, Silva, or Morris. And everyone laughed at me. But I want my job. I said, believe Kaizer Chiefs as an analyst, tactical analyst using data. I want my job. Guys, we are number 3 on the log. Guys, we are number 3 on the log. We are above that team. I'm not mentioning names. We are above that team. Sundowns tomorrow, please do the job. Sundowns go 24 points. It's okay. We'll stay on, I think, 21. I'm not even sure how many points we're on because we top 3. We just top 3. So that team must stay there with the games in hand because they think games in hand equals points in the bag. Doesn't work like that. Mamelodi Sundowns tomorrow is going to do the Lord's work. Mara, why? Even though it wasn't the greatest watch of a game, 3 points is 3 points. That's all that matters. 3 points is 3 points. We leave Durban Moses Mabhida with W. Bit College, you are next.
Alright, Kaizer Chiefs winile, siyabonga kubafana basebenzile. Kodwa ke ake silikhulumeni iqiniso njengomuntu ofayo. Yini lento bekade siyibukela lapha madoda? Ayikho lento bekade siyibukela. Ayikho nje inhlobo. But I guess this is one of those games whereby the result is more important than the performance. Because angeke uzudlala into emnandi ama games wonke. And even ucoach wethu uKhaze on the post match interview ukushilo wathi no abafana namhla bebengekho mnandi inhlobo, but the important thing is they got the 3 points. Alright, there are 2 ways we can look at this game. We can talk about how poor Kaizer Chiefs was most of the game and how they failed to capitalize, or we can talk about how good defensively Durban City was. Even though I don't like Ibola ebedlala Durban City because Ibola low block, Ibola lokudlala compact, they are not playing football laba. Angazi into benjoy labantu. But defensively they were so organized, right? Engakusho nje ukuthi tactically Kaizer Chiefs were set up horribly. Defensively bedlala ngeback 3. On paper it was 4-4-2, but on the ground it was 3-4-3. Cross formed part of the back 3. And then Ulilepo Beno Solomons on the first half, they were playing as wing backs. If Ubugi Manchester United, Upegi formation ya Ruben Amorim, that's what Kaizer Chiefs was playing namhlanje. And it's ayikho mnandi le formation that because it's more of a defensive formation rather than an offensive formation. I hate the fact that Igodaro had to drop back to collect the ball because of the lack of service on the box. Igodaro is a box striker mkhulu ngomzimba mara isikhundla sokuthi bashama cross bemnike ithuba lokuthi attack iball abakwenzi lokho. The boy had to drop so deep to collect the ball in the middle of the park so that azokwazi ukuba namathuba. Into bekumele ngayibayenzile on the first half, it's the thing that Gaston Sirino did on the second half leading to the goal. When a striker big who has presence in the box. Fake ibhola eboxini, istriker shine it. Exactly what happened. Ukuthi why they didn't do that in the first half, I understand. Gavin Hunt beka-man mark amadoda awu-3 ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Umduduzi Shabalala was man marked. Unkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo was man marked, and Umfundo Vilakazi was also man marked. Mabethinta ibhola 3 or 4 yamadoda bebahlala phezu kwabo. The reason for that is because he understands ukuthi those 3 boys can make i-Kaizer Chiefs play. So if ngivala bona ngivala i-Chiefs, and that's exactly what he did. So I can't complain too much about Kaizer Chiefs not playing well, but I can salute the game plan ka Gavin Hunt because he understood who he needed to stop and he stopped them. So Ankali Kakul, I'm just not happy with the Kaizer Chiefs are not rotating the ball enough. I'm not happy with they were not making a lot of box entries. I'm not happy with they were not servicing striker set the way they are supposed to. I'm not happy with ama wingers were not taking on players one-on-one like they should. Ulilepo was not aggressive. I think udlala nge-injury yamfana, but that's speculation. So congratulations on the win. I think they could do better. Sasiyabona next week, I think ngoLwesibili sidlala ne-Orbit College. Hopefully they give a better performance than this one because this was lackluster.
Kaizer Chiefs just beat Durban City by 1-0, and I've had enough of these coaches. They must go. Like right now, I am sick of this. Every single game we have to complain about. They made the wrong subs. They made the late subs. They made unnecessary subs. They made wrong changes into the team. Absolutely mind-boggling. How do you not play Silva when you take off Igodaro? You bring on Sirino first, then you're like, oh no, let's bring on someone else who's going to be a striker because we don't have a striker because we realize that, oh, Lilepo is a very good player, so let's play him in every other position. Let's force him to play as a striker because we want him to play even though we see that he's not in the game. Why not take him off? How did we win the game? And can we replicate what we did today in the next game if the coaches keep on doing the same thing every single game?
Hey mazebra, kanibongela mazebra. Kahle ngijabulela ukuthi nisave ithicket lami. Bese ngiqala ukuceba inyembezi. Angidabula umfoka Silva. Kodwa ke Aiden McCarthy. Ngenza ivideo ngithi mina Aiden McCarthy uyi-defender of the season content. Bangithuka nabantu. Kodwa it's fine. Indaba ezimnandi. Indaba zosuku zithi i-downfall yesekhukhuni isiqalile. Hayi ayiqalile iyaqhubeka. Bashawe esamaselesele. Siwele nabo. Siwele. Awusamaselesele. Awu saphi isicishe yabo isikhukhuni. Tick tock boom. Kuyaphela ngaso kancane ungashaya isiwelele. Hayibo. Isiwelele okay fine defender kahle. Kunzima ukukora against isiwelele. Kodwa wena usufuna ukukora. Samaselesele.
After 10 games, Kaizer Chiefs go third on the log. You know, after beating it Durban City away, the last one away in KZN also against the Golden Arrows in the league. So incredible from Kaizer Chiefs in terms of the results that they got. Overall play, I think there's a lot that they need to work on, you know, in terms of chance creation. I think they need to find balance and see what exactly works for them because they have a lot of target men. They have a lot of target men who they can utilize inside the box and they can play those crosses to utilize that. You know, I think the centre back pairing of Miguel no Aiden, I think it was solid today. Maybe they are getting their rhythm back. You know, we saw them earlier on in the season performing together and they performed really well. You know, let's see how far they can go. Kaizer Chiefs, can they remain consistent? We saw them winning CAF Confederations Cup. They just won their second game. Can they continue the consistency?
This is what I hate about those small teams in the PSL. Always making those big, so-called big average performing teams in the PSL to look good. You defend superbly for the whole 90 minutes and then you let a goal in the dying minutes. What will steal the headlines? What will be written on the headlines? The mighty Amakhosi defeat Durban City. away in Durban. That's what will be written on the headlines, of which it's not the picture of the game. That's not the full picture of the game that I was watching. That's not the game I was watching. It was a poor game of football from the Amakosi. But that goal will overshadow everything. Everything. That's how they started the season, scoring 1 goal in the dying minutes and stealing the headlines as the best current performing team. Nah, man, that's why the PSL will never reach its full potential in terms of competitiveness, man. If those small teams don't want to stand up and actually do something when they playing the big guns, I don't know. You are playing at home. There's no need to panic and lose focus in the dying minutes. Nah, man. And this goes against my prediction. That's what is making me mad. I said Durban City or draw, of which this is how the game was supposed to be. Durban City or draw. That's the whole game. That's how the game was looking like until that. It's just 1 goal that came out of nowhere, bro. They lost concentration in the dying minutes. That's what changed the whole game. Imagine allowing Silva to score a goal. Imagine. Anyways, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for winning this one. Sorry, I will not give them full credit of this game. I feel like it was a poor performance. They just happened to win the game somehow.
You see, this guy, Umori is a typical Sundowns fan. And I like him for the fact that yena azama ukusithandisa ngabantu. I-Sundowns nje umile mfethu. And he makes it known ukuthi akayithanda i-Pirates and akayithanda i-Chiefs. Akalala endleleni and okay. Sayithanda ngale nto leyo ngayo. Because abanye I feel like bancenga ukuthandwa from ama-fan base lawa amakhulu ayithu, but then asikho lapho. Nandibazwile futhi abantu bathini bafethu ngegame namhlanje. Don't really have much to say. USaidi Mlaba ushilo wathi game was lackluster. Ngizwile isingisi game was lackluster. Meaning I don't have to explain ukuthi walazi lo gaba mfethu, that's on you, but yeah, the game wasn't really entertaining, but I won't lie. I didn't really enjoy the game, but Chiefs, don't let people tell you ukuthi andidlala kahle bafethu, because a win is a win. I don't care ukuthi a win is a win. No matter what, we know 1-0, 2-1, 3-1. A win is a win. 3 points is all that matters. Right now, we're sitting there on the log, and it's pretty impressive. Because the way people talk about Chiefs, they talk about the Chiefs is playing like the Chiefs are better, like the Chiefs is number 10. Like Chiefs is in the top 4. But you guys like the Chiefs are better. I'm like, come on, guys, give Chiefs credit where it's due. Okay, it can not be better, but they've been winning since they've been bad for the past maybe 4 or 5 games, but they've been getting them points. And if you look at where they are after 10 games, I mean, that's quite impressive. Looking at just how bad their team is. So that's all I can say about the game and Namhlanje. And yeah, I don't even know what to about the match. That game was entertaining in the last 10 minutes, where Durban City scored and Kevin Hunt was celebrating as like crazy, and then but offside, and it was offside. Then Da Silva scored. I think Da Silva is proving Amapagania wrong. That guy scoring, and shout out to him. That's it for video namhlanje bafethu. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in Game Access between Paris and Sundowns. Yeah, I gotta go. As in ingqondo yami is everywhere mfethu. I've been watching lezi zinto ezenzeke eSudan, bra. Crazy work. Crazy. Ngiyazi ahlangana nebhola, but it's just crazy. And I have another YouTube channel where I talk about this ezenzeka like emhlabeni and all that. Like, please check it out and subscribe. If you're interested, I'll be uploading a video which you like, so you can know what's going on in Sudan. Let me just sleep in Katel. Thank you for watching though.